It is April, which means it is time to open our monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. Hello, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new to my videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And you aren't going to want to miss any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos, so make sure to ring that bell. Before we break into our essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth, I want to tell you a little bit about the subscription box. The cost is $44.99 a month. It is a subscription and you can cancel at any time. Inside you will find 4 full-size essential oils, 6 recipe cards, as well as some extra goodies that you'll need to make those recipes. Now, along with the essential oil recipe box, you also get the big bonus box. Now, this comes with your first box and every 6 months after. And when you receive the big bonus box, your monthly box comes tucked inside like this. And then on the months when you just receive the recipe box, it comes shipped in its own box. Now, there is no additional cost for the big bonus box, and inside you'll find beeswax. It's 100% pure. Whenever possible, everything from Simply Earth is 100% pure. We've got coconut oil. This is the cold pressed or the thicker oil. I like to think of it kind of like mayo. It's really thick. We have almond oil and then a fractionated coconut oil, and this is the liquid coconut oil. These are both carrier oils. And then you'll get 6 amber glass roll-on bottles because every month we get a roll-on recipe, and 6 amber glass dropper bottles because every month we get a diffuser recipe. And you get all of this for only $44.99 a month. And I have a great coupon code that I get to share with you. If you go to the website simplyearth.com and enter in the code TheCraftyFree with no spaces, you will get a free $45 gift card with your first subscription box order. That means you can buy one, get one free, or you can use that gift card to purchase other supplies from their shop. And that is such a great deal. I love that I have that coupon code for you. And one last thing I want to mention is with Simply Earth, 13% of the profits go to end human trafficking. And that isn't just with their subscription boxes, that is site-wide. And I love that that is a cause that they stand behind. All right, it is time. Let's break open our April monthly essential oil recipe box and see what is inside. I love opening it. It's so fun. Ooh, we have some information. Now, this sheet is just for me, but we'll take a look at that in a minute. And I like to start with the oils, but this is covering it. So we're gonna go ahead and look at this piece first. I believe this is one of those Swedish washcloths. That is awesome. I love the Swedish washcloths. Let's take a look at our oils. We have Home Buddy. Now, included with your 4 essential oils, one is always an exclusive essential oil blend. And this month is Homebody. And of course, we have to smell them. That is really good. I'm trying to think of what it smells like. Not quite eucalyptus-y, but it just has a really clean scent. I can't even pick out what the oils are inside it. So if you want to smell it, you better get the subscription box. We have it Clean and Fresh, and this is another exclusive blend. I've never seen more than one blend in a box before, so this is new and exciting. We have Clean and Fresh. Oh, it has a little hint of lemon, but the citrus isn't overpowering. Ooh, I like that. And then we have Sweet Orange. Now this is not a blend. Oh, that smells so good, and it is nice and sweet. It's not tart like some citruses are. And we have Black Pepper. Now, I'm usually not a pepper fan, at least on my food. Oh, it's kind of like a sweeter pepper. I can definitely smell the pepper, but it isn't like a scent that I would automatically not like. I really like that, actually. So now let's take a look at what comes inside. We've already got our Swedish washcloth, and we have a cleaning capsule of some kind, some Castile soap, and some laundry detergent sheets. So this month's theme is definitely cleaning. Let's take a look at our recipes. We have dish tab oven cleaner, home body foaming hand soap, Clean and Fresh dish soap, Up and Atom roll-on blend, 1, 2, 3 laundry sheet, and Spick and Span diffuser blend. Ooh, these all sound like really fun recipes that I'm excited to try. Included are the matching stickers, and I just love how they make it so everything matches, especially for the roll-on blend and the diffuser recipe. You'll see how that label is the same. And I love that. I love it when stuff matches. And then of course we have the top of the bottle stickers. And that's so if you keep your oils in a box, you don't have to pull out each oil to see what it is. You can just see the label right there on the lid of the bottle. Now let's come to my sheet over here. You will not get this sheet. This sheet is just for me since I am an ambassador. But my favorite thing to look at here on the back is the value of the box is $116.95, and you get everything for only $44.99. Isn't that such a great deal? And especially with that coupon code, the Crafty Free, on top of that, for another free $45 gift card, you are getting a steal when you sign up for the Simply Earth subscription box. If you want more fun at craft tutorials, make sure to check out my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.